Hi kids, I'm Dr. Sri. I'm a family medicine and a sports medicine doctor. So we're going to talk about pizza in this video. Who doesn't love pizza, right? So pizza is such a popular dish all over the world. I'm also a big fan of pizza because it is loaded with a lot of vegetables, a thin crust that is topped with cheese. Unfortunately, I sometimes see kids being served cheese pizza or pepperoni pizza that doesn't have a lot of healthy vegetables in it. Remember, vegetables makes you strong. The vegetables have what we call as phytonutrients. So basically, these are the nutrients that helps make the plant strong. So when you eat a lot of plants, you become strong too. You can run fast, you can play ball strong. In addition, you also feel happy because these vegetables, they help to cook happy chemicals in your brain. Who doesn't want to be happy? In this video, I've got two kindergartners, Saitya and Janita. They're going to teach you how to make a healthy pizza. I bought whole wheat thin crust base from Whole Foods. For veggies, we have onion, tomatoes, corn, green pepper, red pepper, mushrooms, spinach, olive, and jalapeno.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna make pizza! Sweet pepper. Yeah. So we can make us healthy and strong. The juice didn't come out for me.
I'm going to put it like that, okay? No. Stick to your side. Because I don't want to do this to you.
Wow. Cheeky.
How's the pizza?
Good. Healthy foods makes pizza even better. Yeah.
So next time when somebody serves you cheese pizza without any veggies, ask them why you're being served cheese pizza. Remember, you have to make the adults accountable. Share this video with others to make your friends get strong.